Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with the essentials. Confirm the domain and its endpoints because global extrema depend on the set you examine. Next, compute f prime, simplify it, and solve f prime equals 0 to get critical points. Make sure you also find where f prime is undefined. Once done, list the critical points and the endpoints together. These are the only candidates for global max or global min on a closed interval. Keep expressions neat, and factor when possible to avoid missed routes. Now you evaluate every candidate point by plugging it into f of x, because numerical comparison is decisive. Use the second derivative test when possible. If f double prime at a critical point is positive, you have a local minimum. If negative, a local maximum. If the test is inconclusive, do a sign analysis of f prime around the point. Once you have numerical values for each candidate, rank them to see which gives the highest and which gives the lowest function. Finish by declaring the global maximum and minimum, giving each point as an ordered pair and its function value. State if none exist on an open domain. If two candidates yield the same top value, note that you have multiple global maxima and do the same for minima. If results seem wrong, recheck your algebraic steps. Verify you solved f prime equals 0 correctly, and confirm the domain. Often a missed endpoint or undefined derivative causes the mistake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.